Hello and welcome to our next video and lecture from this email marketing passive income course. In this lecture we are going to talk about something which is crucial for your success and scaling and optimization for your business on the long term, and that is key indicators for email marketing. Also, this is crucial in order for you to keep a healthy business and for you to be sure that you are actually running your business based on numbers, as any business should be run. Now, first key indicator that you have to keep in mind and you always have to look for is the open rate of your emails, of your campaigns. Now, the open rate is the number of people that open the email they've received from you. So, for example, today you are sending a campaign to promote a specific product. After a few hours, you'll take a look at the statistics and you will see an open rate. That means the percentage of people that actually opened the emails from the one that received it. Okay, so basically the open rate shows how much people pay attention at what you send, how responsive is your list, how much they trust you, and how good your subject lines are, because one of the key factors of a very good open rate, so people opening your emails, is a very good subject line. Then we have the click-through rate, the CTR. It's basically the percentage of people that click on a link from your emails. This shows how effective your emails are and how good your call to actions are in your emails, okay? Because the ultimate goal that you have is sending people from your emails to a sales page, okay? That's the ultimate goal, and the click-through rate shows you how many people from those who received your emails or opened your emails end up clicking on a link and going to an actual sales page. Then we have the bounce rate, okay? Basically, the bounce rate are undeliverable emails, okay? There are hard bounces. The email address, where the email address is wrong, basically someone has ended up in your email list with a wrong address, maybe misspelling or something like that. And there are soft bounces, which are a temporary issue most of the time with the server, okay? So that won't happen again if there are soft bounces. Then we have the spam rate. The spam rate shows how many people have hit the spam complaint button. They have an option to do that when they receive the email. You have to try and keep this very, very low, otherwise you will end up blacklisted or with a very low deliverability. We have the unsubscribe rate. This is the next key indicator. This is the number of people that have unsubscribed from your list after receiving your email. Basically, this shows you that people are not interested in your emails. You have to keep this low, because if they are not interested in your emails, it means you are not sending them the right type of content or promoting the right type of offer. Now, these are the main key indicators that you need to keep in mind when you are doing email marketing. You have to keep an eye on them at all time, because you need to keep them either high, like an open rate or click-through rate, or either low, like spam complaints, unsubscribe, and bounce rates. Anyway, keep an eye on them all the time. Try to optimize them as you can, okay? And you will be just fine with your email marketing business. Thank you again for watching, and we are looking forward to see you in the next